Hello and welcome to Why Not DIY. Our recipe today is both healthy and delicious, the zucchini lasagna. Instead of the lasagna sheets, we will use zucchini slices to make this dish healthier and an ideal choice to serve over lunch or over dinner with no guilt. Let's do it together. Join me in this video. I am Rafa from Why Not DIY.
Start by slicing 2 zucchini into thin slices. Then line a baking sheet over a tray and spread the slices. Place them in the oven and bake them for 15 minutes at 180 degrees C. This is to extract the water from the zucchini. In the meantime, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil into a skillet. Then add 1 chopped onion and fry until the onion becomes gold. Add 250 grams of minced meat, 1 teaspoon salt, a pinch of sweet pepper and 7 spices, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir to fry the meat. Now it's time to prepare the tomato sauce. Bring 2 cups of strained tomatoes into a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of sweet pepper and a string of dried oregano. Bring the sauce to a boil, then set aside. In a baking tray, spread 1 layer of zucchini slices. Top it with half the amount of meat, then spoon ricotta cheese and tomato sauce. Add another layer of zucchini slices and repeat the process. Finally, add the last layer of zucchini and pour bechamel sauce to cover the zucchini. Then spread shredded mozzarella cheese on the top. Bake the zucchini lasagna for 15 minutes at 180 degrees C. Enjoy!